welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna base some slime.
The first
step
is
ingredients.
glue.
Glue, water, Ajinomoto, Joy. So let's start. Say magagawa. Video mo ko. Video mo ko. Oops, dahil ko na ito. Oh, I don't. Let's open.
Sinasayang niya yung glue ay.
Akin naman. That's your time. The next step is Joy. So let's, oops. Oh, my spoon. So let's mix it. Oh my God, mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Oops. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix. And more.
And third is
Second is Joy.
Ajinomoto.
Wait! Some mix for having a bubble.
Ay, puchak. I have the Ajinomoto. Ay, glue.
That's your. There you go. That's correct.
Okay.
I mean, it's
And
correct.
mix.
There you go. That's slime. Slime. Your water. Slime.
Damihan niyo yung betchin.